In SAP Analytics Cloud, your profile settings is where you will go to modify some of your system preferences. To find your profile settings, you will take your mouse up to the top right of your screen to the circular profile indicator. Click on that and then click on Profile Settings. Now the first section is only relevant if you utilize SAP Cloud Identity to manage your password, and then this is where you would go to change that, but most organizations utilize their own single sign-on approach. The rest of these preferences, though, are worth taking a look at. You can click on the pencil icon to edit them, and this is where you can change the display language in your SAC system, how dates are formatted in your tenant, how times are formatted, numbers themselves, so this is where to look if you want to change the comma to a period and vice versa. You can also change the default scale that you view numbers in, and the currency position. I need to briefly stress that these settings here are for your individual user only, and these are good to know because many people think you can change these in the context of stories, when in fact, these settings are actually changed in individual users' profile settings. And lastly in this list is a section to set your notification preferences.